Are you counting the days until your next payday? With an empty bank account and a growing sense of panic? If it feels like your paycheck vanishes the moment it hits your account, you're not alone. Nearly 2/3 of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, dealing with that same stress every month. It's a common struggle juggling bills, scraping by, and constantly worrying about the next expense. But what if one simple change could start to break that exhausting cycle? Stick around, because we're about to reveal one powerful change that can help you finally get ahead of your bills. Before we dive in, if you enjoy realistic and simple finance tips, hit your like and hit that subscribe button. Join our community of folks fixing their finances one step at a time. 1. Face the paycheck cycle. Head-in living paycheck to paycheck means money comes in and goes right back out to cover rent, groceries, and gas, often with nothing left to save. It's a stressful loop that can leave you one flat tire or one surprise bill away from disaster. The first step is facing it head-in. Look at where your last paycheck went. Was it all necessities, or did some dollars slip away on things you don't even remember buying? By confronting where your money is going, you prepare yourself for change. Ask yourself, where did my last paycheck actually go, and how did it make me feel when it was gone? 2. The one change. Pay yourself first. Here's the game changer. Pay yourself first. In simple terms, treat your savings like the most important bill in your life. The moment your paycheck arrives, set aside a portion for you before paying anyone else. It could be 10% of your pay, or even just $20 to start. For example, if you take home $2,000, immediately move $200 or whatever amount works for you into a separate savings account as soon as you get paid. This one change flips the script. Instead of saving whatever is left, usually nothing, you save first and spend what's left. It might feel strange at first, but even a small amount will begin to build a cushion. Ask yourself, what small portion of my paycheck can I commit to saving first every time I get paid? 3. Make it automatic and hands-off now. Let's make that change stick. Automate your new Pay Yourself plan so you don't rely on willpower each payday. You can set up an automatic transfer or direct deposit to your savings on payday, out of sight, out of mind. For instance, schedule $50 to move into your savings every time you get paid. When it's automatic, you won't be tempted to skip it or spend that money elsewhere. You will adjust your spending naturally, because you'll only see the money that's left in your checking for bills and daily life. Over time, you might even forget you're resaving until you check your account and see your balance growing. Ask yourself, can I set up an automatic transfer for my next paycheck? And how much could I comfortably save without even noticing? 4. Adjust spending and find extra cash. But I barely have enough to pay the bills. If that thought crossed your mind, this part is for you. To make paying yourself first work, find a bit of extra cash in your current budget. This doesn't mean living on bread and water. It means identifying 1 or 2 expenses to trim, so you can free up money for yourself. Maybe it's that subscription you forgot to cancel, the takeout habit that adds up, or those small impulse buys. For example, bringing lunch from home twice a week might save $40, which you can redirect into your savings instead. Small trade-offs can have a big impact. You won't feel rich overnight, but you will start feeling in control. Each dollar you free up is a dollar that goes toward your future instead of vanishing. Ask yourself, what's one expense I can reduce or cut this week, and can I funnel that money into savings instead? 5. Watch your cushion grow and stay consistent as weeks turn into months. That small act of paying yourself first can snowball into a serious safety net. Watch your financial cushion grow. $20 set aside each week becomes over $1,000 in a year. You'll start to notice a shift. An unexpected car repair isn't a crisis, because you've got it covered. For example, one person who tried this change saved $50 from each paycheck and built up $600. In just 6 months, enough to fix her broken water heater with cash instead of a credit card. That kind of relief is priceless, and it showed her that this habit really works. This is how you break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, by consistently building a buffer that keeps you one step ahead. Stay consistent, and even increase your savings amount when you can. For instance, if you get a raise or finish paying off a debt, add that extra money to your automatic savings. Celebrate your milestones, the first $500 saved. The first time you handle an emergency without panic, these wins will motivate you to keep going. Ask yourself, how much peace of mind will I have when I see a growing emergency fund protecting me from life's surprises? Conclusion. Take charge of your financial future. Breaking out of the paycheck-to-paycheck trap really comes down to that. One powerful change, putting yourself at the top of your payment list. By paying yourself first, automating your savings, and adjusting your spending a bit, you're rebuilding a financial life where your money isn't gone as soon as it arrives. It's a simple shift in habit, but it makes a huge difference over time. So why not start now? Try this one, change with your very next paycheck, and watch what happens. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who could use a financial boost. Let us know in the comments what one change you're going to try. And don't forget to subscribe for more realistic, motivating finance tips. You've got this. Here's to taking charge of your financial future.